Opisyal nang inilunsad ng World Capital Holdings Incorporated ang Bethany Hills by Atrium, isang 10.3 na ektaryang hillside residential development sa Barangay Pag-asa, Orani, Bataan nitong Sabado, November 29. Tampok dito ang konsepto ng smart, sustainable at eco-friendly na pamumuhay. Sa kanilang grand launch, ipinasilip sa mga bisita at investor ang master plan, mga future amenities at sa lifestyle concept na nakapaloob sa tagline na Life Elevated with Nature. Tampok ang disenyo ng mga modelong bahay na Calliope at Adeline, mga tahanang idinisenyo para sa energy efficiency, natural ventilation at pangangailangan ng modernong pamilya. Ayon kay Irvin Paul Pastoriza, Director ng Sales and Marketing Communications Group, layunin ng developer na lumikha ng isang proyektong naiiba sa lahat.
When we first created the concept of Bethany Hills, we're actually thinking of an upscale living that is one with nature. It is a project that is unique in its own sense, that we are redefining what luxury is, from glass and concretes to really all about nature. Hence, Bethany Hills was born out here in Pag-asa, Orani, wherein there are magnificent views of the Manila Bay and the view of Mount Natim, and as well as the great cool weather, which is a Tagaytay-like weather here in Bataan. So when we come up with this project, it was really something that we wanted. It was a dream. And I think this dream is about to come true right now.
Dagdag pa ni Pastoriza, pinili nila ang Barangay Pag-asa, Orani dahil sa malamig na klima, rolling hills at kakaibang nature experience.
Number one, consideration is nature. So we think that Barangay Pag-asa, Orani has that kind of nature experience, and that the rolling hills are really perfect for a good development. So aside from that, when we came here around starting October at saka September, when it goes at nighttime around 6 p.m., the breeze is already cool, and it is something that is very experiential to all our buyers. So we're thinking of something like this na ano kaya if we offer a project that is upscale and you know, at the same time it is merged with nature. Hence we come up with our tagline na Life Elevated with Nature.
Tiyak naman ng developer ang pangangalaga sa kalikasan.
We retained as much trees as possible. We didn't disrupt the contour. So we played with the contour of the development, and we placed solar panels in our common area. Actually, there's a electric vehicle charging station in our common area, so that we can promote sustainability, environmental sustainability.
Bukod sa likas na kagandahan, tampok din sa Bethany Hills ang modernong smart features at amenities. May smart lights, smart doors, solar-powered homes at residential lift para sa PWDs at retirees. Tampok din ang mga amenities tulad ng Elysian Hall para sa social gatherings. Ang malawak na Central Park ay para sa wellness at outdoor activities, at ang Oasis na may swimming pool para sa relaxation.
Well, with the Bethany Hills project, we're actually offering here smart homes. So there are a lot of smart features being incorporated in our homes right now, such as our smart lights. We have the smart doors. And of course, we also have a residential lift inside our houses, which makes it unique and friendly with our PWDs and as well as our retirees. And aside from that, our houses are also solar powered already, so which makes it one with nature. And then in terms of the amenities, we have here our Elysian Hall, which we call, basically it's not just an event hall. It will also house its own coffee shop, which will become a destination in itself here in Barangay Pag-asa, Orani. And then finally, we have our Central Park, which has our pickleball court. So our clients who are into, of course, health enthusiasts can also be one of their leisures here. And we also have the mini golf in that Central Park as well.
Ibinahagi rin ng mga digital content creators at real estate agents ang nagustuhan nila sa Bethany Hills. Para sa kanila, ang tunay na nagpapa-stand out daw sa proyekto ay ang kabuuang living experience na hatid nito.
When you buy a property here, you're not just buying a house and lot, but you are buying a whole living experience. Kasi nakita ko from the master plans, yung amenity area, yung open spaces, the location itself, it's elevated with nature, na matatanaw mo talaga yung ganda ng paligid, and at the same time, quality yung gawa ng developer. So that really excites me, and I'm so, that's also something that I really wanted to share with my home buyers and the future investors, because it's a project that really adds value to their investments.
Ayun, so ang mga amenities kasi here in Bethany, no, well thought of siya, very functional, lalo na yung the Oasis and yung Central Park. Ang ganda nung pagkakaplan niya kasi talagang, I mentioned, functional siya, lalo na yung mga tao ngayon into wellness na sila, so into pickleball, ayan. So isa yun sa mga, I think, highlight ng mga amenities here sa Bethany.
Binigyang diin naman ni Lidwena Eco, President ng World Capital Holdings Incorporated, na ang proyekto ay nakaugat sa responsableng development.
You know, when you develop land, which is something finite, no? When we develop land, we have to develop it very, very responsibly, because we would be changing communities, and we would be changing lifestyles of the communities where we are. So I look forward to 3, 4 years, 5 years down the road, when the value of this property will shoot up, the lifestyles of the communities would probably be enhanced, and our residents will find peace and serenity in this community.
Sa pinagtagpong modernong teknolohiya, masusing pagpaplano at likas na ganda ng kalikasan, itinataguyod ng World Capital Holdings Incorporated sa pamamagitan ng Bethany Hills ang isang pamumuhay na payapa, matatag at makahulugan. Isang komunidad na hindi lamang nagtatayo ng mga bahay, kundi nagbubukas ng bagong yugto para sa mga pamilyang naghahanap ng tunay na tahanan. Kasama si Angel Francisco, Angelica Cara, CLTV 36 News.